Do you see how melted this wig looks? And she's glueless. This is HD lace. This is what HD lace is supposed to look like. Better yet, invisible lace, because where is the lace? Hey y'all, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Ashley, but we're gonna get right into this video. This is an HD Real Scalp 13x4 invisible lace front wig, y'all, and it is in a body wave texture. Let me tell y'all, can't you see straight through to my little back wall decoration? When they said invisible, they mean invisible. Like, y'all, that's me touching the lace. That's me showing you it's dang near invisible. Personally, let me tell you why I'm so excited about this wig. Look at this drawstring. Not only is this going to be a frontal wig that I can wear glueless, but it's going to be so secure because I get to adjust it with this drawstring. And as you can tell, I'm ready for a hairstyle. So I will be starting off with my hair completely braided, and I'm just going to be installing this with the glueless method. So I will be using the adhesive tape that the wig comes with. If you want to melt it down, you can do that for you, but y'all, this wig comes so perfectly plucked. This lace is giving scalp. It's giving, where is it? It's giving undetectable. When they say invisible, they mean that, y'all. Then you have the built-in band and the adjustable strap. This wig is so easy to wear. It comes pre-curled body wave lusciousness. So all I'm going to be doing is lightly combing it out. And I do believe that this is a beginner friendly wig, a pro wig. Whether you've been doing your hair for years or if you want to try something new, this is definitely the one for you. Like, wow, y'all. Like, this is the look without even going in and tinting it to my foundation shade. And I normally do that by going in with my Ruby Kisses in shade number 12. I normally hate frontals, and this made me fall in love with the frontal. Go ahead and go in with your foundation shade, y'all. That's key. Okay, that's the key to a melted look. Make sure you have your correct foundation shade. In my opinion, this is a step that you cannot miss. Like, if you want to have that seamless blended look without melting it, you need to make sure you have your correct foundation shade. Now, I will be going in and showing y'all this. Look at my scalp. It's not my scalp, y'all know that, but this wig comes with like that fake scalp look, and I just love how it looks like it's growing out of this wig. Y'all, the tape isn't even stuck yet. Like, all I did was adjust the strap in the back, and this wig is secure. Okay, but we are gonna go ahead and lay down the adhesive tapes. Do y'all see how melted this wig looks? This is HD lace. This is what HD lace is supposed to be, because wow. So this is the adhesive tape. That's the all you do. Peel and stick. Now, don't underestimate this this lace. I like to kind of pull it to where it's gonna give me some, I don't want to say tension, but pull it to where you're gonna get that. But don't just stick it in and it's loose, right? You have to stick it to where the lace is gonna be feeling secured, because glueless but not going anywhere. I had my hot comb out, and I don't even need it with this wig. I am in love with the construction and the way it came. This made it very simple. So if you're someone who don't like to install frontal wigs, this is the wig for you, because I hate frontals. Only because I never installed them right. Like, this came pre-plugged. It came with this fake HD scalp, so I didn't have to wear a wig cap. You don't have to melt a wig cap anymore. So you got to get this a try, especially if you're a beginner afraid to branch out with frontals. This is where you need to start. I may tell a corny joke, but I'll never tell a lie. Y'all, I love this wig real bad. Like, real bad. I didn't have to pick up a flat iron and do some bunky curls. It came pre-curled to give you that soft wave look, and it's easy to style. Look at me putting this hair up in a ponytail. Don't forget we had that drawstring in the back. It makes it so easy to style in different ways. The ponytail is definitely a go-to, and I love how that came out. So I just want y'all to keep on watching. I will be playing around this hair just to see what we can do with her. But all the information is down below. And the construction of this wig. Not only do we get a fake scalp, but we get an adjustable band too in the back. And we get an invisible lace. Yeah, y'all. Y'all did that. Shout out to y'all. And I'm so sorry that I'm rambling again, but when I'm excited about a hairstyle, I hope y'all can tell, because I love this down real bad. But I am at the point in the video where I'm about to go, so stay tuned to the end to see a few more hairstyles. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye, y'all.